Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 Vlogs. Welcome to ABC-MART Shibuya. Let us check out their new and classic sneakers from popular brands such as Nike, Adidas, and Vans. ABC-MART Inc. is a Japanese footwear company with stores in Japan, South Korea, and Taiwan. The company was founded by Masahiro Miki in Shinjuku in 1985 as Boki Shoji Inc. In 1987, the company moved to Arakawa and changed its name to International Trading Corporation, ITC. It was in 1990 that ABC-MART was established, with 3 stores opening in Tokyo. In 2025, it was announced ABC-MART would open in the Philippines, with its flagship store being located in BGC. This will be the first ABC-MART location outside East Asia. Please like, share, and subscribe. There is also a wide selection of women's products, including Hawkins sports women's shoes and Nuovo pumps. A year later, ABC-MART acquired the exclusive sales rights of Vans products in Japan. The company was then re-established as a joint stock company in 1997 before moving its headquarters to Shibuya a year later. In 2002, ITC absorbed ABC-MART and was renamed ABC-MART Inc. before being publicly listed on the Tokyo Stock Exchange. The company then opened its first branch in South Korea in 2003 and in Taiwan in 2009. Please do watch our other Tokyo, Japan playlist. Please do watch our other sneaker and kick series. ABC-MART also has a wide selection of kids' shoes. Check them out. In 2012, ABC-MART bought the American company Lacrosse Footwear, which in turn purchased the U.S. bootmaker White's Boots in 2014. In 2019, ABC-MART opened its 1,000th store. Have you been to Melbourne, Australia? What was your experience? Let us know in the comments section below. Thank you for watching.